Our weather creating slick conditions across our area. Here's another look at some cars ending up in ditches and semis sliding off the roads. Our Noel Brennan is out in our mobile weather lab. Noel, where are you and what are you seeing?
Marie, we're on 94. We're just about to hit Deerfield Road here. On 294, though, we saw exactly what you're describing in the northern suburbs. We saw a number of cars off the road. Near Toohey Avenue, we saw a semi that had gotten into a crash with an SUV. We came upon it really not too long after it happened. You're looking at some video that was shot earlier. This is of a different crash, but this is the kind of stuff that we're seeing out here. That's a semi that's off the side of the road. Tow trucks are out in force today because these are the kinds of conditions that the drivers are experiencing out there. Semis off the road, cars in ditches. Again, as I just described, we saw in the past 10-15 minutes a half dozen cars that had spun off 294. Again, that's just in the last 10 minutes, so it just goes to show what conditions are like out here and drivers are experiencing. It does look like, obviously, that IDOT crews have been out here. They've done a good job of pre-treating the roads. It's just mostly wet right now. We're in a lull from all of the snow. We certainly are taking it slow considering the spin-outs that we've seen. So, Marie, we're going to stay out here, keep monitoring conditions, and we'll check back in with you later.
The mobile weather lab for us. We appreciate it, Noel.